as you guys know, wherever ADSN goes on the road, we try to find the coolest, the most tasteful restaurants, and the most fun places for fans to visit when they come back to these destinations. This week, we went to Ybor City here in Tampa, and we found a restaurant that had been open or has been open since 1905, founded by immigrants. They gave us a tour, they fed us. Here's a look.
Welcome to Ybor City in Tampa, Florida. My name is Andrea Gonsmart, and I'm 5th generation of the Columbia restaurant, and we are so happy to have you here. We are in the original corner cafe that my great-great-grandfather, Casimiro Hernandez Sr., founded in 1905. And those that came from Spain and Cuba often came to this corner cafe to get the taste of home, like picadillo, roast pork, their café con leche, the mixta sandwich, which is now known as the Cuban sandwich here in Tampa. This was the 3rd dining room added on. It was built in the 30s, and it was the first air-conditioned dining room in the city of Tampa. It's called the Don Quixote Room, and you'll see many beautiful hand-painted tiles of Don Quixote. We have over 1,000 wines, 75% consisting of Spanish wines, the other half being mostly Californian and some from Argentina and Chile. This wine cellar alone holds 25,000 bottles of wine. This dining room was soon built after the Don Quixote was built, and originally the skylights above used to retract, so it was an open-air dining room. But today you can still enjoy the beautiful Florida sunshine while dining in the patio. I love talking to customers who tell me they proposed to their wife here, they had their wedding reception here, celebrating birthdays. That's what I always do. I use this as my favorite place to celebrate. When is a special day?
February 4th, so soon.
Congratulations. Thank you so much for sharing this special occasion with us. It means so much to me.
Thank you, thank you.
And now I'm going to show you the whole heart and soul of the restaurant, and that's our kitchen that's 6,000 square feet. This is our beautiful kitchen, which we refer to as our new kitchen. When you've been around 117 years, when you're 21 years old, it's still new. And this is where we make everything happen. We make everything from scratch. There are 2 things that we're very famous for, which of course we're famous for many more things like paella and our wonderful fish dishes, but a Cuban sandwich is something that people come to Tampa, Florida to have. We make them daily. We roast all of our ham. We roast all of our own pork. We import our salami from Italy. We use only the best quality products. And of course, La Segunda Central Cuban bread. We are so proud that USA Today named our 1905 salad as one of the top 10 salads to make a meal out of. And I'm going to show you how to make it right now. We start with iceberg lettuce, Julienne ham, Julienne Swiss cheese, tomatoes, and Spanish olives. Our famous 1905 salad dressing, which is made out of extra virgin olive oil, garlic, oregano, white wine vinegar. It's kind of our secret sauce. Liam Perrin's Worcestershire. This is the secret ingredient that most people don't know about. We make this tableside when you're dining with us here at any of our Columbia restaurants. And that's our famous 1905 salad at the Columbia restaurant in Ybor City. Thank you for coming to see me at the Columbia restaurant in beautiful Tampa, Florida and Ybor City. Hope to see you soon. Salud! Salud!
Well, I got to tell you firsthand, the restaurant is amazing. The atmosphere is unbelievable. You have to see it to believe it. It's everything that people talk about, all the reviews. It's a wonderful place. The service is friendly, and the food, as I said, is simply amazing. Thanks to Mike and Andrea for hosting us. You guys were wonderful, and we look to see you when we come back to Tampa That's definitely going to be one of our top spots. In fact, the top spot whenever we visit Tampa. Food there, fantastic.